Tired of fumbling through the darkness in your Minecraft world? Let's illuminate your gameplay with a custom night vision texture pack. First things first, we need to prepare your Minecraft installation. Open your Minecraft launcher and navigate to the Installations tab at the top. Here, you'll want to click on the New Installation button. Give your new profile a descriptive name, something like Night Vision or Enhanced Vision. Now, it's crucial to select the correct version of Minecraft that corresponds with the texture pack you'll be using. Most packs are designed for the latest stable release, so select that from the drop-down menu. Once you've named it and selected the version, click the Create button. This will create a fresh profile for your game. Now, find the profile you just made and click the Edit button. In the Edit Profile window, look for a button labeled Open Game Dir and click it. This will open your Minecraft game folder, where all the magic happens. Inside your Minecraft folder, you'll find a folder named Resource Packs. This is where texture packs live. Open this folder. Now, take your downloaded Night Vision texture pack file Y-Euro, it's usually a zip file Y-Euro, and drag and drop it directly into this Resource Packs folder. No need to extract it. Close the folder and return to your Minecraft launcher. Make sure the Night Vision profile you created is selected. Click the play button to launch Minecraft with your new profile. Once the game has loaded, go to the Options menu. From the Options menu, select Resource Packs. On this Resource Packs screen, you'll see your Night Vision pack listed on the left. Hover over it and click the arrow to move it to the selected Resource Pack side. Then, click Done. And there you have it. Your Minecraft world is now equipped with enhanced night vision. Explore those caves and conquer the darkness like never before.